How to delete YouTube channel permanently on phone. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, we'll launch any of the browser on your mobile device. Now click search bar at top of the screen and type in studio.youtube.com and press enter on your keyboard. After that, make sure to log into your particular YouTube channel. If necessary, you can choose switch account and ensure the correct channel is selected by tapping profile at top right corner of the screen. Now, in order to remove or delete your YouTube channel permanently, you have to access the settings icon at bottom left corner of the screen. Now select channel in the left menu. Here you need to go to the advanced settings option and simply you need to select and scroll down and select remove YouTube content. After that, you may need to re-enter your password. You need to make sure the correct channel name is displayed. You need to select I want to permanently delete my content and you need to check mark the boxes given below to confirm deletion of videos, comments, watch history and subscriptions. And then tap on delete my content, and after that your channel is now scheduled for deletions, which may take a few days to complete. If you have any queries, drop a comment below. For more YouTube tips and tech tutorial, check the YouTube channel. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.
Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.